Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to analyze my past trade which name is Wellspun Corp. I have prepared a WordPress file to look out what we are going to learn. But before that, let me show you my journal so you can get an idea how I write my journal. Okay, this is my journal, and today we are discussing Wellspun Corp. I am not making video on the Bajaj Housing Finance because this is my short trade, and right now I am not interested in short trade. That's why I am leaving it, and we are going to discuss the Wellspun Corp, which was bought on 28 April 2025. Okay, today's these are the points I have mentioned on that day because that is my strict rule. I follow my journal and I write my journal at daily at least 6 p.m. after taken trade, after market close, after relax my mind on 6 p.m. I daily review my trades and mention all the mistakes and good things in my journal. Okay, uh, short long, this was my long trade. The previous one Bajaj Housing Finance, which we are now discussing, my short trade. Okay, remind that. New comments, I added new section after learning a lot of things. Suppose after 6 months I have added a new comment section where I write my new comments, like right now I am what I am thinking about that share, about that trade. So that things I mention in new comment section. This is chart, you can see uh, pure chart, no indicators, only one indicator. You can see the previous high indicator and previous low indicator. So I will discuss this in the later, don't worry about that. Okay, so I have bear a loss. The loss was minus 7,106, and oh, you will be surprised to see this is plus 16638, my short trade. But I am not going to discuss this because right now I am not interested in short trade. Okay, so let's move to our documents file. Yeah, so the trade is on Wellspun Corp 28 April. Yes, so we are on 28 April 2025. You can see here, and let me mark the buying price. The buying price was 786.30. Let me grab this horizontal line, 786.30. Oh my god, this is lucky. 7 and 6, still I lose. 786.30. Yes, so I bought this share on this price, and the candle was 945. 945.50. Okay, and let me mark this is my candle 945. Okay, now you can see clearly I bought this share here on this candle, and let me share when I exit my trade. So the exit time is 15:20. I mean I have exited automatically by the exchange because time finished and still I was in trade, and my exit price was 776.90. Let me mark that, 776. Yeah, somewhere around here. Okay, and the candle was 320. Yes, this candle. So the trade kicked me out on here. I bought my share here and the share kicked me out by here. Let me calculate the percentage I have loss on this trade 1.22%. As I said earlier, my stop loss was at that time 1.20 to 1.50%, and this is my stop loss, and I I I patiently took my stop loss, and I don't think I have traded on that day again. Let me check. 28, yes, that is single trade, and I love that my rule. So in let me discuss why I took that trade and what mistake I have done in this trade. So as my rule, you can see the share must be go up. The share is going up, and it hold, and on this red candle it is holding, and it crossed the previous day high. It crosses the previous day high, and I bought it here. So according to that time, this setup was perfect for me. But after a 6 month, I realized some of the mistakes in this trade. So let me discuss that. It is saying if I found any bearish candle, small bearish candle in between the big green candle, that is a red flag. I shouldn't trade. I shouldn't take that trade, because if the candle is like bearish harami or bullish harami, I don't know, it's in my mind. If the candle is bullish harami or bearish harami, I won't take that trade, but still I took trade and I lose it. The one point is this. The another point is, in my rule, on that time there should be at least two halt candle. Suppose this is one candle and I need one more candle here before closing this candle. So that is also was missing part on that day. So I don't think this was my perfect trade. And the thirdly, I find major mistake, ph को क्रॉस नहीं किया था. It means this indicator is showing previous day high. So in nowadays my strategy is, if share trade above this level, then only I can plan a trade. If share is below this level, whatever it is doing, whatever price action it is making, I just skip it. That is my strict rule. So I breached the rule on that time. Maybe I don't know that time that ph is very important, but analyze after lots of trade, I have the conclusion is the previous high is very important. Okay, so this was my trade on 28 April 2025, and I bear a loss of 7,000 approx. So I hope you will learn something from it. Let's meet another video on another day. Take care. Bye bye.